To make your paper biplane, you will need a sheet of A4 paper, some scissors, glue, a paperclip, and a pencil. Fold the top left corner down to the bottom edge and make a nice sharp crease. Unfold the page again. Now take the bottom left corner and fold it up to meet the crease and the top edge, and again make a nice sharp crease in the paper. Fold it out and turn your sheet of paper over. Now fold the left hand side over to meet the bottom of the creases. And make one more crease along the edge. The sharper you make these creases, the easier the next bit will be. Open it out and turn it back over again. Now take the top part of the triangle, bend it into the middle, and do the same at the bottom so the edges meet, and take the top layer, press it down and crease it. Fold it in half with the folded bits in the middle. Match the edges close together. Again, the more carefully you do this, the better your final aeroplane will be. Now you're going to cut a piece out. Get a pencil, go up along the edge of where the folds are inside, along, and make a little tail. When you're happy with the shape, get your scissors and cut the paper out. Put those to one side because you're going to need one of those pieces in a minute. Now you're going to make the wings. Take two of the wings and fold them down, not quite at the length said of the body, just a little bit higher. Turn it over and take the other two wings and fold them down at the same height. Now take the bottom wing and fold it again. This time you want it to be on a level with the body, a bit further down. Fold it and fold the wing back up. To keep it in place, you're now going to glue along that section. So take your glue, put plenty of glue on so it's going to stay put. Fold the bottom wing down, press hard, and now you've got two wings on this side. Turn it over and you're going to do the same on the other side. Take the bottom wing, fold it so that it's parallel, so that it carries along from where the body is. Up again and glue underneath so that it stays put. Now, to keep the wings in place, we're going to make some struts. So you take one of the pieces of paper that you cut out earlier, and you're going to cut a length of paper along. You just need one of them. Make sure it's nice and wide, because then you want to glue that piece of paper and fold it in 3 along the length to make it nice and strong. This is going to make 2 struts, so now fold it in half and cut it into 2 pieces. Fold a bit at the end so that we can glue it onto the wings. Going to attach them to the top and bottom wing to hold them in place. So pop a little bit of glue on the end of each strut where you folded it. Now this bit's a little bit fiddly, so attach it to one of the wings. And then stick it to the top wing as well. Do the same on the other side. Now you're nearly there. To finish it off, bend the tail fins down . And then you can put the paper clip on the nose of the aeroplane. This is to help steady it when you throw it. If it's easier, you can take it off again. It's not essential. And now you have your paper biplane.